Okay, so getting into the Boxenplot. Now this is very much related to the box plot that we're all familiar with. And so the middle box right here is the exact same as the box plot. It's the interquartile range, so 25th to 75th percentile. Now the thing is with this plot, I think it provides a little more detail, whereas the Boxenplot chooses to generalize the whole tail of the distribution. This is really used for, well, when you want to inspect, it's kind of a blend between the blocks plot and the histogram plot. Really, it just allows you to see a lot more detail, but still get the benefit of outliers inspection. And so what this is doing is this allows you to show here and highlight here an outlier if you needed to, and see those sorts of the distributions. And on the other side, and then it really shows you this is going to show that you can actually change this, sorry, and it shows the amount of distribution. So I believe I changed it in this plot right here, but by default it would show you this from 75th, 80, 85th, 90, 95th, and to the end before the outliers, where the whiskers would normally go 1.5 times of the IQR, just like the box plot, and then highlighting the outliers in the standard definition here. So it really just lets you see some more details, some more definition of the details. It's kind of, again, a hybrid between the box plot and the histogram, kind of giving you the best of both worlds in lots of senses. And I find I think it looks really good. And I find it's a better alternative when I'm going to look for outlier inspection. This is the one that I choose to use normally instead of the box plot, because it's really quite easy as well in Seaborn. Okay. And it just gives you that little extra detail that the box plot is really missing.